Welcome to Entangled Health, where quantum tech, AI, health, biology, and consciousness research overlap. I'm Thomas Ehmer, and I like to have the conversations that never quite fit into conference or reports. When I sit down with somebody, I usually carry one question and let that be the starting point. From there, we follow whatever actually matters to the person in the room. That's Entangled Health. And here's the approach. It sounds contradictory, but it works. Every episode, I go in with two things. One concrete question I can't get out of my head, and the honest intention to follow wherever the thinking actually leads. Not just health, not just science, whatever turns out to matter most to the person in the room. In one conversation, we ended up talking about what it means to live as a permanent outsider, and that wasn't planned, but it was the most important part. That tension between preparation and surrender is deliberate, and it's the point. My guests are people working on questions without clean answers yet. Quantum biologists, artists, consciousness researchers, AI scientists, clinicians sensing something deeper. People who've rarely been heard this slow before. And once per episode, a quantum algorithm running on real hardware picks one question from the listener community. Not random like a hat draw, quantum random. Because the universe, uncertainty is something to optimize away, it's where the good stuff lives. We now morph into series 2, which is different, and I've learned you can't predict when the real conversation starts. Usually it's right when you normally end, so we don't end there anymore. Deep dive episodes run 90 minutes, sometimes more. We follow where the thinking actually goes. I'm Thomas Ehmer, and this is Entangled Health. For everyone who finds the uncertainty more interesting than the answers. Let's entangle. And the other one is the other blue thing that appeared.
It was somehow decided at the end. Okay.